Coming to the functions of vitamin A is very helpful for vision and it is required for dim light vision. So both bright light vision and dim light vision is responsible for eye, and rods are responsible for dim light, cones are responsible for the bright light vision. And it is also involved in cell differentiation and maintains the epithelial tissue of our body. And it is also important for growth and development, and it is important for bones and as well as organs. And it regulates our gene and it acts like the steroid hormones, and it has the antioxidant function, and it mainly fight against the free radicals that enters in our body. Mainly the beta-carotene, which is the precursor for plant source, reduces the oxidative stress in our body, and it also prevents the cancer and heart attack and the following cardiovascular risk. And it also important role in reproduction, and it supports fertility and the fetal development. And these are the overall functions of the vitamin A. And coming to the sources, there are mainly plant source and animal source. Both are very common in vitamin A enrichment. And in animal source, liver, fish, liver oil is excellent. Fish liver oil is excellent source of vitamin A, and egg yolk, milk and butter. And in plant source, it exists as provitamin A, like colored rich foods are very much rich in vitamin A. That is carrot, and mainly consists of beta carotene, spinaches, mango, papaya, pumpkin. So these are all gives the carotenoid pigment because it gives colors to many fruits and vegetables. Like papaya gives orange color, pumpkin orange, mango yellow, spinach green, and carrot beta carotene. So these are all rich in the vitamin A. And apart from that, broccoli, fish, meat, avocado, and pepper, and sweet potato, apricot, melons and squash, these are also rich sources of vitamin A. And coming to the recommended dietary allowances, the age will get differ from the intake of vitamin A. So for infants like 0 to 12 months, they would have been intake 400 mg to 500 mg of retinol in the form of vitamin A, and 1 mg of retinol activity is equal to 1 mg of retinol or 12 mg of beta carotene. And children like 1 to 13 years, 300 mg and to 600 mg they have to intake, and adult men and women around 700 to 900 mg of retinol in the form of 1 mg in animal source, 12 mg in beta carotene source. And pregnant women, they must have included 770 mg of vitamin A in their diet, and lactating women 1200 to 1300 mg of vitamin A in their diet. So these are the RDA recommended for the vitamin A from the Food and Drug Administrations. And coming to the deficiency, the main source of deficiency is night blindness, which is often termed as nyctalophia, and it is the earliest symptom which mainly causes poor vision in dim light. So those who are traveling in the night time, they are very difficult to see the night light due to the poor vision. So they lack vitamin A in their diet, and it often leads to the nyctalophia. And second one is xerophthalmia, which is the conjunctivitis dryness. So dry conjunctiva leads to conjunctivitis and the cornea and keratinization. So xerophthalmia, night blindness, is the very common and earliest signs and symptoms of deficiency of vitamin A. So they want to intake many sources from animal and both in plant to get obtained from the vitamin A. So the intake of carrot, intake of beta carotene rich foods often clear the night blindness problem and xerophthalmia also.